Okay, so we have implemented the server side, not fully yet, but most of the required part, so saving to the database, connecting to the mkdd and all. So these are in place right now. So let's quickly jump into how you can implement the UI part of this one. And for that I will going to create a folder, mkdir free bot UI. Just as a heads up that this will not be a hero code deployment as such, but what we will do is onto hero code itself there will be a static deployment implemented on express, and it will deliver the UI. So I'm hoping that in this course or the next step of this course we will going to have it as the implementation of the platform neutral thing, and you just need the JavaScript. Let's see that if the course permits, we will finish that part in this itself. So anyway, so let's move on to free bot UI. And I'm having Angular installed, and the node always node is of course installed on my machine. So I will just simply say ng new, which is going to be the which is going to create a new application. Do you need routing? We actually don't, but let's have it safer side. We can use a css. So I'm going to use this small snippet here, which is which we can even convert it to format css. Okay, so okay, so this will be the application, and it will look like this. And this is a very small snippet where we can actually see the messages and all. I like it because it's pretty simple and shortcut. Right, so later on we will implement all these things. Ideally on the UI side we don't need the list, and we won't directly need this one, which is a chat window, but for now we will try to integrate this as much as we can, and then let's see that how it goes along with it. So as this is the simple application, we will need to create a library. So let's see Angular library tutorial. Right, so creating a library, it means like this can be npm installed at any point. So as you can see, there is workspace that they have created. It is something similar to what we have done right now. So I will just do like ng generate library, and I will give the name of the library that I want. Right, so I will give the library as a free bot, and the good thing is required to run in Angular project. Okay, so let's go to the project and then generate this one, or rather I will say lib, that way there is no confusion. Okay, so this will actually create a project inside this. So ideally there are two folders with the same name, but we will clean those up. And you can see that there is a lib, and there is a component for it, and usually they don't have the templates explicitly specified, so we can have the template URL by creating the HTML page here. And to test this, right, we can simply just start npm start. This will actually ng serve the application. So it's building the application. By default it will always run this app component HTML, because we haven't specified what to run exactly. But if you go to this one, you can see that the start command is actually doing ng serve, and the default project is of course freebot UI, and because of which in the Angular JSON. So this will of course run the default project, right? So to run the library, we will have to specify the name of the project that we want. But for now, what we will do is, we will just see how we have set up this project. And here all the code that we are having in this can be removed, but for now let's see how it looks. And yeah, this is how how Angular have created the home page for this one. And let's see how we can do it further in the next video.